Ever wondered how your body knows when to pull your hand away from a hot surface? Or why your heart races during a workout? It's all thanks to tiny but mighty structures called receptors. They're the body's frontline messengers, receiving, converting, and relaying information at lightning speed. Let's dive into the world of receptors and discover how these microscopic sensors shape our every sensation. Receptors act as the receptionists at the front door of our nervous system. They're specialized structures designed to receive stimuli, either from our environment or from within the body, and relay them as nerve impulses to the control centers like the brain or spinal cord. Structurally, receptors are either modified neurons or epithelial cells. They can exist alone or in clusters with other specialized cells, like those in the eye. Since all stimuli carry some form of energy, receptors function as transducers, converting these energies into electrical signals. Receptors can be triggered by chemical substances, light, temperature changes, or mechanical pressure. When a stimulus is detected, it gives rise to a sensation. The brain then interprets these sensations into perceptions that we can consciously experience. In the hypothalamus, we find hunger and satiety centers. These receptors monitor glucose levels and respond by releasing hormones that regulate our appetite. Blood pressure and chemical changes in the blood are monitored by specialized receptors. Baroreceptors in the carotid and aortic arteries sense changes in pressure, while chemoreceptors in the aortic and carotid bodies detect carbon dioxide and hydrogen ion levels. Different sensations are perceived based on which area of the central nervous system gets stimulated. Each receptor is fine-tuned to detect specific types of stimuli, and the strength of a stimulus is amplified by either repeated signals or involving more nerve fibers. The skin is equipped with a variety of receptors that help us feel touch, pressure, temperature changes, and pain. These are broadly classified into free nerve endings and encapsulated receptors. Free nerve endings are the simplest type of sensory receptors. Found in both the epidermis and dermis, they are responsible for detecting basic sensations like pain, touch, and temperature. These receptors adapt slowly, maintaining sensitivity over time. Meissner's corpuscles are encapsulated receptors, concentrated in sensitive, hairless areas like the fingertips and lips. They're highly responsive to fine, light touch, and their spiral nerve endings are enclosed in collagen capsules. Pacinian corpuscles are another type of encapsulated receptor, structured like an onion with concentric layers. Found in the dermis and joints, they quickly respond to deep pressure and vibratory stimuli. To sum up, receptors are the key players in how we perceive and respond to our environment. Whether it's light touch or blood pressure changes, their specialized structures and functions help maintain internal balance and provide critical sensory feedback.